40s, 8s. Still 4 hours a take. Once you have all the pictures, where you go?
We started with botanical gardens where the body was dumped.
Where Charlotte killed him.
His first name is Jerry, and he might have been in the company of this woman.
Wait here, this guy. I've seen him here.
When?
A bunch of times. He sits right over there. Oh, yeah, right, that's him. Comes here almost once a week.
Weekends?
No, during the week. Different days.
When's the last time?
It's been at least a couple of weeks for sure. He spends whole days here. Usually brings a sandwich. He reads paper. Look. And sometimes he sits down and reads snoozing. Never talk to her. Just to say hello, that's all. Not at all. I heard him talking to himself once out by the Rosemary. Saying what? I don't know. He sounded pissed off.